Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 quick shortcuts to enhance your YouTubing experience on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for YouTube. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go over to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, go to the top right corner. YouTube Studio, click on this, wait for that to load. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to content. And so the first shortcut that will enhance your YouTube experience is to filter by the most viewed videos within your YouTube catalog. And there we have it. We can now, within a couple of clicks, view those videos that are at the top of the list within your catalog. The next shortcut is to go within analytics and then filter your lifetime worth of YouTube views on the platform. So go to analytics. Let's now wait for the overview. Once that is loaded, what we can do is then go to the top right corner and filter by lifetime. And this will tell us that the overall view count for the lifetime on our channel is 4.5 million views from the day we started until the day of the recording of this video. The third way to enhance your experience on this platform is to go to community, filter by response status, and you can then filter by I haven't responded, I have responded, responses with new replies. Click on this. And then we can start to respond to these comments that have come our way. So we can now go back to dashboard. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.